answer? Oh, you did a very not so cool job. Wait, come back. Why is it 8? Can you explain how you got that?
I'm just trying to I'm trying to answer what it could take me
Why you? Shouldn't you be focusing on the problem instead of me? That's very irresponsible. That's minus points for recitation. Go back. Alright, so class, we're going to discuss factoring algebraic monomials factoring algebraic expressions by their common monomial. Example is 3x plus 27. Multiplied by x plus 9. You barely even changed the number. Are you guessing? Are you sure? Otherwise, your grade would be still grade in my class. Because mathematics is all about understanding and memorizing. Your parents would be very disappointed. Show me how you got it.
Math genius, right? Can you solve this problem for me? I'm kind of having trouble.
So the final answer is 2x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 9. That is the final answer. So, I've noticed lately in your math performances in my class that you're lacking behind. Out of all the students in my class, 18 of you, you are one of the worst performing students I have. So now we're here to tutor you. We're going to do a problem that is a quadratic expression. So, what we're going to do is we're going to factorize it, and I'm going to teach you how. 4x squared plus 8xy is y squared. Now, the answer to this would be 2y plus 3y multiplied by 2x plus y. Now listen carefully. How are we going to factor 4x squared?
Divided by 2.
Well, at least you're correct. 2x and 2x. I'm sorry, the answer should be 2x plus 3y multiplied by 2x plus 1. Alright, let's do it. Now, are we going to move on to the second term, or are we going to move on straight to the third term? Wrong. It's the third. We have to use the third term to get the second term. Now, how will we factorize 3y squared? we're going to do is we're going to get the factors of 3y squared, which is 3y and y. The reason why it is only y and not 1y is because the number 1 is going to be non-existent when next to a variable, because a variable is also equivalent to 1. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use trial and error. Considering the signs that they are all possible, we're going to put a positive sign in the middle of the terms. So what we're going to do is 3y and 1y. Now, what are we going to use next? The FOIL, or are we still going to use the trial and error?
The FOIL method.
Yes, FOIL method. The FOIL method is first, outer, inner, and last. What we're going to do is like this. 2x multiplied by 2x.
For x2.
4x squared. Now, what we're going to do next is 2x multiplied by y.
2xy.
2xy. Now, what we're going to do next is the last two. Now, it is 3y multiplied by 2x. 2y multiplied by 2x.
5xy.
6xy. Now, what we're going to do next is we're also going to multiply the 3y to y.
You multiply them both.
The answer is going to be the same because y is equivalent to 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So it's 3y squared, considering that there's another y. Because if there's another y, it would become 3y squared. 2y's means 2. So you add the exponent 2. Now, we can see that we have 4x squared plus 2xy plus 6xy plus 3y squared. Now, what are we going to do next?
You add them. Or
Right.
subtract.
You add the middle terms, 2xy plus 6xy. We're going to add it and it will become 8xy. Now we just bring down the third and first term. So it's going to be 4x squared plus 8xy plus 3y squared. We have the answer, right? So, the factored version of 4x squared plus 8xy plus 3y squared is 2x plus 3y multiplied by 2x plus y. That is your final answer. Did you get anything?
I'm confused, teacher.
Why are you confused? I have taught you this many times during this party. How come you still don't know how to answer it?
Why are you scaring us? This is why we're scared.
I am not scaring you guys. I am disciplining you guys. Now, if you don't like my lesson, you can just simply walk out of my class whenever you want. Because I don't be the student who won't listen to my lectures.